Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin. I have got another 2 days worth of Poshmark, and as you can see, it's shoes, 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 and more shoes. And guess what? I finally sold one of these. Yay! You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below. All right, so these are going to be my Poshmark sales. What I'm going to tell you is the earnings that I got as a Poshmark seller. That's after the fees, after shipping, all of that. And then I'll tell you how much I paid for each item, write it on the board, we'll add it all up at the end, see how many orders it was, and what the total was for my 2 days worth of sales on Poshmark. First thing that I sold is a Cat and Jack pair of very, very glittery, sparkly, shiny, glorious children's glitter ballet Cat and Jack shoes. Those sold for $7. My earnings are $4.05. I actually paid $4 for that, so I earned a whopping 5 cents. Woo. Woohoo! So, that happens sometimes, but I've got a lot of those, and so some I've sold for high, some I've sold for medium, some I've sold for low prices. Then I've got a pair of men's boots, just like this. They look really nice. Men's boots, size 7.5. I earned $12 on those, paid $4 for them, so that obviously was a much better deal. I actually got the men's boots and those other shoes in the same pallet, so see how it kind of works itself out. So $8 total is my profit on those. Then I've got some Gino Fioni, not Gino Vitali. Usually I sell Gino Vitali. These are Gino Fitoni Chelsea style boots. They are men's Kelvin Chelsea boots, black, $37.40. $4 again is what I paid off that same pallet. So I'm at $29.40 of profit there. They sold for $49. I was at $37.40 for my profits.
You said $37.40 minus what?
4. 37. Thank you. $37.40 minus 4. Good catch. Did I just read it wrong? $37.40. I was thinking the 4 and not the 7. $37.40 minus 4. Good catch, hubby, is $33.40.
She's amazing. Look at her. Just amazing.
Alrighty, then I have a pair of, I'll put those back in the box better later, Morona style over-the-knee boots, really super cute, suede cognac. I've got some more of these. These I paid $7 for. I earned $10.05 for these, and so I'm at $3.05 of profit on those. So I usually do pretty good selling shoes. So what I'm going to do here is I sold actually a bunch of these. So I'm just going to leave this one up and then refer back to it every time I get to one like it. These are a New Day waterproof rain boots, Chelsea style, and they're going to sell probably for various different prices because some deals I make, sometimes, you know, they send me an offer, sometimes they buy direct. So $10.20, $7 is what I paid for it, so I'm at $3.20 for those pair of women's Chelsea rain boots, a New Day waterproof. I've got some more for sale if you're interested. Then I have a pair of, I've got a bunch of these gray suede, a New Day Brenna over-the-knee boots. $20 is what I paid for those. $7 is what, or $20 is what I earned. $7 is what I paid, so I'm at $13 of profit on those boots, and I do have some more of those. Then I have a swimsuit down here. This is the best time of the year to sell swimsuits online because you can't find them anywhere else. So I paid $2 for those. $5.05 is what I earned, so I'm at $3.05 of profit there. Then I have a really cute pair of kind of canvas men's slip-on shoes. Men's casual slip-on shoes, size 9. My earnings were $10.05. $4 out of a liquidation pallet is what I paid, so I'm at $6.05 of profit there. Then I have a pair of green cargo style jeans. Let me show you the picture here. That's a little bit better. I earned $2.05. These came out of a liquidation box for $1, and so I'm at $1 $7.05. So I was willing to price those down a little bit simply because I didn't pay a ton for them. And then I have a really cute, new with tags, Mighty Fine Good Vibes Society shirt. $2.25 is what I earned. Again, $1 is what I paid. So $1.25 for my profit. Then remember, I was going to refer back to these waterproof boots. Those I sold again. And so like I said, I paid $7 for them. $7.05 is what I earned on that one. So 5 cents for those earnings. Woohoo, big money. Then I paid, and then I sold another pair, but thankfully I made a little bit more. $7 is what I paid. $9.05 is what I earned. So I'm at $2.05 for the same kind of boots, same size and everything. Then I've got a pair of Skechers by Sport Ones, little kid shoes. They look like that. So Skechers little boys shoes, those were $4 as well. $14.40 is what I earned. So I'm at $10.40 of profit there. Remember, these are my earnings, not my sales. So I'm not selling them for $14.40. I'm selling them for $18, and after Poshmark fees, $14.40 is what I get. Then I have these boys 2-pack of thermal tops, Champion green and white. I've got a bunch of these. Perfect time of the year to sell these. These I actually got for about 50 cents out of a liquidation box. So 50 cents, $1.25 is what I earned because they sold for $6 with a discount. And so I'm at 75 cents of profit on those. And I got a bunch of those. And so I'm just trying to get them off my store and move them so I'm not having to share them. Then I've got this awesome fleece throw. I have a bunch of these. Buy them all. It's a Kansas City Jayhawks 1865 fleece throw, 50 inches by 60 inches. So that's a really good size one. I paid $2 for those. $4.25 is what I earned. So I'm at $2.25. So that's all I've got for these 2 days of sales. As you can see, lots of shoes and boots, which is perfect for this time of year. So I'm hoping to move through a lot of them quickly. So I'm going to add everything up, let you know what my totals are, and come right back at you. All right, I've got everything added up. It came to $87.60 of pure profit for me. Remember, this is after fees and after my cost of goods. 15 separate orders. So I'm going to get these all boxed up, shipped off out to the customer, and hopefully it's been helpful to see what I sold these last 2 days on Poshmark. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.